Hey everyone, we're here in mainland China. This is the Xbot Park. In the next few days, I'm gonna bring you guys and show you guys a close look of the production assembly line batteries of the Ristretto 512. Come with me. We're about to take off. We're heading to Hong Kong. John Chan is gonna pick us up. Then we're gonna drive to mainland China. See you guys on the other side. Hey, let's do it. Yeah. Good to see you too, man. Where are you at?
Okay. So we're going to have a nice dinner first, and then
Yeah.
we'll drive to mainland China directly.
Perfect. Yeah. That sounds great.
It's a completely new campus. We are the first few companies inside as well. There's a huge workshop here. It's for like high precision machining. It's under the lake. For high precision machining in the future.
Welcome to China. How are you doing? Good. Must be from China. Yeah.
Show you around. This is the warehouse. This is our lab. It's still building up. So we're building up this area.
So this right here is the new building of Mainland Office for CYC. What exactly is going to be here, Chen?
Still in planning. We occupy the fourth floor right now. So we have all kinds of quality engineer, manufacturing engineer, like a lot of manufacturing related engineers situated in our mainland office. The R&D team is still in Hong Kong. So we do our development in Hong Kong while we have a lot of manufacturing activities in here, like for large scale, quality control, manufacturing, production line, management, stuff like that.
Yeah, we'll go to the Hong Kong location. That's where everything started, right? So this is like the
Yeah.
next
This is
next
the-
stage.
Yep. So it's
Pretty
around 2 hours away from where we're at in Hong Kong. A lot of R&D engineers will also travel here to oversee the works and also work with the team here as well.
Good. Let's take a look.
Okay.
So what are we checking now?
We're going to check out the main campus, main building, show you around, like all the brands that our investor
Okay.
invest in. So, Chris, so this one is Export Park. It's built by our investor.
Okay.
Take a look here.
Yeah, it looks very nice. This is
So-
where we were, right?
So this is the building where we're at. So there are several ones that you might know, EcoFlow over there. then
DGI.
DGI. It's very popular.
What is what? Oh, this is the cleaning.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah, I hear about it.
2 billion revenue of renminbi last year.
So this is Professor Ko, Google Tech. So they're part of the Ristretto company. You know, they give us a good support through CYC early in 2023. All of these are pretty much all the companies they have in their portfolio. Quite interesting, yeah. Pretty nice. This way.
So this is the story of DJI. Start by Wang Tao. And then like our professor, they start investing like roughly during this time. Now it's a huge company.
Yeah, wow. Is this their headquarters?
Yes.
Where is that?
It's in Shenzhen.
Shenzhen, nice. Most of these companies are in the portfolio of the investor group of Professor Ko, Professor Lee, Andrew No. I had the pleasure to meet these amazing people here in China. You guys can see by yourself, it's quite interesting, a lot going on.
Yeah, I think so.
We're probably gonna go back to Hong Kong tonight. Tonight? Right.
What are the stuff they built?
Because of all the public calculations.
First day in China, we're about to grab some food. Productive day. I have no idea where we are right now, but it smells good. Let's go.